Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox not lag. Let's start with some fundamental steps. First, close any applications running in the background that you don't actively need. This frees up valuable system memory and processing power. Next, ensure your internet connection is strong and stable. A wired connection often provides better reliability than Wi-Fi. Finally, always keep your graphics drivers updated to their newest versions for the best performance. Now, let's adjust Roblox's in-game settings for smoother gameplay. Press the Escape key to open the Experience menu. Navigate to the settings and locate the Graphics section. Here, change the graphics mode to Manual. Then, significantly lower the graphics quality slider by several notches. This adjustment reduces the visual load on your system, directly boosting your frame rate and making your experience much more fluid. Beyond in-game tweaks, optimizing your computer system is crucial. Make it a habit to regularly clear out temporary files and your browser's cache. This can free up valuable disk space. Always keep your operating system updated, as these often include important performance enhancements. For laptops, setting your power plan to high performance can provide a noticeable boost. Also, using a solid-state drive instead of a traditional hard drive will drastically improve loading times. For even greater performance, consider some advanced optimizations. In your Windows compatibility settings, try disabling full-screen optimizations for Roblox. Running the Roblox application as an administrator can also help prioritize its access to system resources. Proper cooling is also vital. Ensure your computer isn't overheating, which can cause performance drops. Finally, a simple restart of your computer before you play can often clear up minor issues, providing a fresh and smoother gaming session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.